Activating the inner perimeter defenses! Whippersnapper doesn't want to listen. He just won't heed our warning.
Heed, young whippersnapper. Heed.
Ratchet, perhaps we should reason with them.
Sure. They promised to give me the Nundac secret? I promise not to blow them up. Laser grids. I know.
Chef,
They
we need
never
those
learn.
turrets back online!
10-4! Rerouting primary capacitors!
There's no way we're getting through this without at least 2 crates of pyrocytic nitro cells. Who did you say gave you this thing?
The Sony. They are little invisible creatures who travel through time.
Oh, right.
There's the scoundrel!
Pulverize him!
Oh, my thruster coils.
Thanks, guys. I can handle it from here. Well, congratulations. You win an all-expense-paid trip out the airlock. Hope you don't mind letting yourself out. I hate that popping sound of bodies decompressing in space.
Yeah, put that Lombax in his place.
What? He is a Lombax! Kronk, Zephyr, lower your weapons.
And so, our heroes explained the mysterious circumstances which brought them to Talwin Apogee's secluded space station. Their quest for the elusive Lombax secret. A cipher wrapped in an enigma, smothered in super-secret sauce.
That's enough, Zephyr.
Oh, sorry.
So you're a Lombax who's never seen another Lombax, doesn't know where they are or what their secret is. That's so...
Ironic?
I take it he's the smart one.
Miss Apogee, is there any reason why Tachyon would think you have a Lombax weapon?
Well, this is my father's base. Max Apogee?
Max Apogee was a famous...
Is a famous
explorer and collector of rare interstellar antiquities, most notable of which was a Lombax artifact.
Where is the artifact now?
Pirates raided the station years ago. This is the only thing they took. My father went after them, but never came back.
I recall that smuggler mentioning pirates on our Ardolus.
Ardolus? Kronk, Zephyr, get the ship ready. Lock up on your way out, okay? Ratchet, I'm sending you the coordinates to Ardolus. Sorry if I seemed rude back at the station. I haven't gotten out much since my father vanished. I'll see you soon.